Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Mieko. Today, let's do Reverse Abdominal Series on the reformer. I have one red. You can do red, yellow, red, blue, red, red. And let's wear your strap to your thigh. And abdominal series, if you have a neck issue or lower back issue, please monitor your body, listen your body. You don't need to do a whole exercise. Maybe you can do one. Okay. Carefully lay down your back. Bottom of head on the box. So your head is supported by box. Both leg tabletop. Both hands behind your neck. Breathe in here. As exhale coming up to abdominal curl. Just be careful. You don't want to squeeze your elbow, giving pressure to your neck. Keep elbow neutral position. Breathe out, coming up. Let's do 5 more. And you start to feel your leg because you're holding resistance by your legs. Inner thighs are together. 2 more. Last one, hold your head on top. Now both knees close to your chest. And then come back. Keep your head up. Your scapula, top of scapula off from box. Five more. I can feel my inner thigh working too. 3, 2, last one. Everything relax. Hug your knee. This time, head and legs move together. Alright, this time head and legs move together. Okay, breathe in here as exhale, coming with your head up. Same time, bring your knee. Like rolling like ball. I like even. Woo. 7, let's do 3 more. 2. Last one. And hug you. Okay. Now variation. Let's make heel together, diamond shape. And when you're coming up, breathe out. Both legs go just lower a little bit and bring in. Head down. Breathe out. Down, up, head down. You are working adductor. When your legs coming up, feel your inner thigh to bring your spring off. The last one, stay up and only leg work 5 times. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Ooh. Okay. Now let's do oblique. Okay, right hand behind, left arms reach to sky. Engage your fingers. Breathe in. As exhale coming up, forward to your right. Open your right elbow. And come back. 10 times. Still legs are together. Both hip down. Feel your oblique sling. 5 more. Breathe important. Breathe out. 2 more. What's next? Last one, stay up, hold. And give me a shake. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Woohoo! Other side. Of course. Okay. Breathe out. Left elbow open. I'm thinking my legs too. Inner thighs are together. Keep tabletop. Hip are stabilizing. Four more. My arms are engaged. Whew. 2 more. And last one, let's do handle shake. Hold here and hold. Hold. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Ooh, good job. Now both legs are straight. Hands behind your head and neck. Coming up, elbow are neutral. And I want to make tiny circle. Looking between your legs. 3, 4, 5. Other direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now we're gonna go double leg stretch from the mat. Okay. Coming up. Hug your knee. And as you inhale, extend arms and legs. Arm circle. Come back. Watch your head. Keep head up. So you don't wanna go down and up. What today? 3 more. 2. How's your arm? Last 1. And relax. All right, both legs straight. Still coming. Abdominal series. Coming up. Lower both legs just a little bit. And lift. Oh, that's fun. And down. Keep head up. But if your neck hurts, of course, head down. Five more. Legs are engaged. Ooh. Shaking the whole body. 2. Last 1. And relax. Let's go. Last 1. 300. Okay? All right. Both legs straight. Feel the resistance on your legs. Coming up. And you are going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3. Breathe in 5. Breathe out 5. Legs up. Three more sets. We can do it. Two more. Move arms from shoulder blade. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Now put your feet down. Slide up. Use your hands. Coming up carefully. Take your strap off. Did you notice this 100 opposite the mat? Legs are higher, giving you more challenge because you have to hold resistance by your legs. Awesome. Hope you enjoy and see you next time.